Welcome to Wattics. In this video, we will cover the features of the Utility Bill Import tool. This feature allows you to organize and manage multiple bills and provides an interface to read their values. This tool is particularly useful to verify utility bills from your utility or energy supplier to better understand the charges contained in your bills. Furthermore, it provides the means to digitalize your utility bills to track, analyze, and report on energy consumption and costs and other metrics for your efficiency projects. The Utility Bill tool is twofold. First, the tool enables the import of utility bills in PDF format to the Wattics dashboard. Upload your utility bill in PDF format and give it a name. Next, using the PDF utility bill as a guide, you can create a template for the import of values and costs associated with kilowatt demand, kilowatt hour consumption, CO2 emissions, account information, and other monthly charges on your utility bill. To create the template, click on Add New Supplier Template. You'll need to select the utility bill type, add a utility supplier reference, e.g. Swift Energy, and then go on to drag and drop the pointers to the figures on the bill, specifying the information to be imported from the bill, such as the site or the meter to which the new values or costs are to be assigned in the dashboard, the date on the bill, and the meter reference ID. If you want to import any other cost-related information from the utility bill, you can do so in this section here. You may also want to add an extra item for peak demand charges, for example. You'd go on to add a name for the cost item, peak demand charges, which will be reflected in your menu tree under the corresponding site or meter. Add the unit, such as kilowatt, and then drag and drop the pointer to the relevant cost information in the bill. Finally, add, drag, and drop the pointers corresponding to the total cost and the total cost with taxes in your utility bills. Both of these items are optional, and you can choose to add one or both to your template. Once your template is saved, it will look like this. You'll be able to see the template key on the right to understand which items on the bill are represented by numbers on the template. Why is this template important? This template provides a standard format to guide the persons responsible for inputting the utility bill values in the Wattics dashboard. Once your utility bill templates have been created, you can begin to import your utility bill data. The utility bill import or parsing takes place in the dashboard tab here. You can upload multiple bills at a time, and once they are uploaded, you can begin importing the values from the bill, assigning them to the correct site here or meter in your dashboard. Then select the relevant template that you will use as a reference to import the bill values and cost information. You can see the status of the bill import here. Now we are ready to parse the data, which you can do by clicking on the green icon here. If the icon is displayed in green, it means that you are ready to begin importing the data from the bill. Once you've clicked on the button to import your bill information, if you are presented with a screen like this, it means that you don't currently have the data points created in your dashboard, which you have included in your template. You can choose to save these data points in order for them to be reflected in the dashboard for monitoring and analysis. Next, fill in the account number, the date and the relevant value, and the cost information. By clicking on the magnifying glass icon here, you can refer to the template created to find and fill in the correct information, and then click on Add Items Data. You can then check back and see that all of the information has been inputted here, including the supplier reference, etc., populated from the template itself. We can then go back to the breakdown or the portfolio analyst, where the information from the bill will now appear under the site or the meter chosen. The data will be visible as data points in your Wattics dashboard for monitoring, analysis, and reporting. If you would like to know more about the Utility Bill Import tool or features available through the Wattics platform, check out our brief instructional videos at www.com/dashboard. You can also book a free demo on our website to discover how these tools can be applied to your projects. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.